In this tutorial we will show you how to keep a part of cloth rigid by changing the maximum distance parameter for calculating the skin transfer points. First, let's load the cloth. Click this button, then open this one and click No. Click No Change. Then click OK. Then load the body shape we have already matched to this cloth. For this cloth we need to keep this part rigid when animated. Okay, now let's do the conversion. Let's merge and stitch it to an isolated mesh. Okay, it's completed. Let's view wireframe. You can see the stitching faces. Then let's save it. Let's do the cloth conversion. Change to edit face mode by clicking this button. Then click this button, then first set this body. Type here. Use the default parameter setting. Then let's calculate the shape control points. Then let's modify. Then let's check the modified control points. They look okay. Let's hide them. Then let's calculate the skin transfer points. Let's show the skin transfer points. You see there are some skin transfer points from here to here, which transfer the skin weights from this body part to the cloth. Let's hide them. Let's export it. Now let's close this window. Let's test it. Let's change to the Dress 3D tool. Then let's load the character. Let's load the clothes we just covered it. Because this is a cloth originally dressed on one side of the body, now we can choose to dress it on any side or both sides. Let's select right side. Now let's check. Let's click this button to change to edit to faces mode, then click this button to open the skeleton editor. Now you see we show the skeleton. Then let's go to lower right arm bone. Let's rotate it by 70 degrees around the Z-axis. Now you see this part is not rigid. It's bent. The reason is there are some skin weights transferred from this body part to this part. This make this part look not rigid. This is not what you want. We want this part to be rigid. It is only affected by this bone, not this bone. Let's solve this issue by converting the cloth again. Let's just close this window. Then change back to the cloth converter. Now let's just repeat the processing. So first load the body shape. Then load the merged cloth. Click No. Click for Converted. Now let's do the conversion again. Click this part. Then click this button. Go to the second step. For the right arm and hand part, change the parameter, the maximum distance for calculated skin transfer points. Let's reduce it. Also, let's export and save the parameter. Now let's calculate shape, control points and modify. Then let's calculate skin transfer points. Let's show the skin transfer points. You see now there is no skin transfer points from this part of cloth to here. Okay, so let's bring transfer points here. So now, skin weights of this part will be propagated from this part and will not be transferred from this part of the body because there are no skin transfer points from this part of body to this part of the cloth. Now let's hide skin transfer points. Then let's export. Then let's save to this one. Let's close this window. Now let's test again. First, let's load this character. Now let's load the cloth. Now let's check the results to see how it works. So again, let's open the skeleton editor. Let's go to lower right arm. And same thing. Let's change this angle from 0 to 70. This part of the cloth is rigid now. It is rotated according to this bone, and it is not affected by this bone. The reason is, there are no skin transfer points from this part of body to this part of cloth, and the skin weight of this part of cloth are propagated from this part of cloth. So it follows this. So this whole part looks like rigid. Okay, we have solved this issue. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you.